Assalamu alaikum, my beloved students. How are you? Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NABS Home School. Here I am Lokman, assistant teacher of National Ideal English Version School District. Now, I am going to conduct Bangladesh and Global Studies class for the students of class 7. Our today's discussion topic has been taken from chapter 9, lesson 3. In this chapter, in this lesson, we will discuss about the different welfare programs for the senior citizens. So I hope you have already taken your textbook, and please go to textbook chapter 9 lesson 3. Let's start reading. In this lesson, we'll get the idea about different welfare programs. In every state, there is a responsibility of a state to take care of senior citizens. Like this, Bangladesh also take this responsibility. Bangladesh government has taken some pragmatic steps to take care of our senior citizens, to provide them food, to provide them shelter, etc. There are some government and non-government organizations who are giving these facilities and benefits. Among them, the first one is non-government program is Probin Hitoishi Sangha Jora Bigyan organization, and another one is Bangladesh Retired Government Employees Welfare Organization. On the other hand, there are some government organizations also. They offer some benefits for senior citizens, pension allowance for the senior citizens, and some allowance of destitute widows and separated women. So let's see our today's discussion. Here, I hope you have already opened your textbook. Now read welfare program for the senior citizens in Bangladesh. This is my lecture 5. At the end of today's class, I will provide you an SW. So SW number should be 4. The Constitution of Bangladesh also dictates to provide social security to senior citizens. If you have a look on our European country or United States of America, we can see that they have a vast budget for senior citizens for their social security purpose. Okay. Presently, there are more than 1 crore as people live in this Bangladesh. There are about 50 countries in the world whose total population is less than that 1 crore people. We have welfare activities for the senior citizens, both government and non-government also. Okay. Non-government programs, there are a handful of organizations in the private sector that work for the welfare of senior citizens. Number 1, Probin Hitoishi Sangha Jora Bigyan organization. The activities of this organization is situated in Shere Bangla Nagar, Dhaka. Where? Shere Bangla Nagar in Dhaka. Its activities include medical treatment facilities, rehabilitation, recreation, observation of religious festivals, etc. Besides this organization has established a library for the senior citizens. Okay. Second one, Bangladesh Retired Government Employees Welfare Organization. This is another non-government organization who works for the betterment of senior citizens in Bangladesh. This organization provides monetary facility to the seniors or education and health issues as donation and zero interest loans. They offer some loans with zero interest. Okay. Besides this, there are Bangladesh Women Health Association, Rotary Club, Mother and Child Home, Old Home, Jodapata, etc., who also carry out certain programs for the senior citizens. Now we will talk about government programs. First one is pension allowance. Employees of any government, semi-government or autonomous bodies, they get some pension facilities when they retire or die. It's long-term social security program. It's a long-term social security when an employee goes in retirement after specific years of service for the government service. He or she gets this allowance according to some rules. This is known as pension allowance. Number 2, allowance for the senior citizens. This program is run for the benefit of seniors all over the country, specifically for the neglected poor elderly of rural areas come under its net. Okay, 10 elderly people minimum as 57 years of each ward under a union are awarded 100 taka per month. 100 taka per month they offer this for elderly people in Bangladesh. They are selected on the basis of their helplessness and age of 50% of them are women. Number 3, allowance of destitute widows and separated women. Destitute widows and women left out by their husbands come under this coverage. There is no age bar to it. There is no fixed age for this program. Actually, this is provided only for widows or separated destitute women. The maximum receivers are only women. Okay. As a result, maximum receivers of this benefit are women. Besides, the government is taking up newer programs for the benefits of the senior citizen. My dear students, we have already reached our today's at the last session of our today's class. Now you can take your HW. There are some questions, all are knowledge based question. Write down this HW in your HW copy. My first question is, how many S people are there in Bangladesh at present? We have talked about in the very beginning of our today's discussion. Okay, next one, what are the non-government programs in Bangladesh? We have already discussed about non-government program. What do you know about pension allowance? How much money is awarded for the elderly citizens per month? Last one, how many government programs are there? So my beloved students, I hope you have understood our today's discussion. Let's have a review of our today's discussion. Our today's discussion was about some welfare programs who works for senior citizens of our country, Bangladesh. They offer some program and they provide food, they provide service and other shelters. And it can be non-government and government also. Both work for the senior citizens of this country. Okay. Submit this SW coming Sunday and collect the previous SW also. Guardian or anyone can else come school to collect or submit SW. Stay home, stay well, don't go outside, listen to your parents. See you soon with next video. Allah Hafiz.